Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to create secure folder in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to security and privacy. And here select more security settings. And here select secure folder. First option. And here click on continue, and here your phone will ask you to log in with your Samsung account. To sign in to Samsung account, you can sign in with Google or sign in with QR code. Click on sign in with Google and select the email ID that you want to use, and it will be signing in. Just wait. Here I already used Samsung account on another device, Galaxy A04, so two-step verification will be done. Check your device that you used previously for Samsung account. What's the code? Did not get code? Use sign in attempt. Yes. Here I got the code 073319. 073319 and click on verify. Yes, successfully done, and click on continue and creating secure folder. You have to wait from few minutes to several minutes. Just wait. Creating secure folder means it will create a duplicate folder for internal storage and other important storages. Okay, suppose if you are using photos in gallery, usually you will go to files, internal storage, and then DCIM, then camera folder. So this is called gallery folder. Okay, so in similar way, similar space will be available in the secure folder. Okay, suppose if you move some photos from your internal storage camera, then that photos will be stored in the same location in secure folder. Okay, in secure folder, just you go to open that secure folder and you will find the same location, but only the moved files will be available. Okay, so in this way you can hide some photos from gallery to some other location, that is called secure folder. Okay, so it is creating secure folder for everything, for apps security, for folder security, for photos and videos, for everything. So it will take time. Yes, it's created. Now you have to create a pattern for those secure folder. Okay, so pattern or pin or password, anything you can set. This is like what you set for screen lock. Okay, so here I would like to set pattern. Okay, click on pattern and draw the pattern that you want to set. This should be different from what you use for screen lock. Here for screen lock I have used this pattern, but here I would like to use this one. Okay, again you go to click on continue. Again you go to draw the same pattern to verify and click on continue and turn on reset with Samsung account. If you would like to turn on this, in case you forget your pattern for secure folder, you can later reset using this option. So click on turn on. Okay, click on next, and yes, these are all the secure folders. See here, camera folder, internet, contacts, my files, gallery, calendar, notes. These are all the default folders they are creating for secure folder. Okay, so to go to secure folder, so here I go to gallery, there is no file. Go to my files, internal storage. This is like what you are doing from the main internal storage. Okay, here DCIM, there is no files because just now secure folder is created. To see the secure folder in your phone, go to the home page and see here there is a folder named called secure folder. Just click it and it will be open. Okay, until you lock your phone, secure folder will be visible. Okay, only after locking your phone, secure folder will also be locked. You can also see secure folder in the notification area. Go to the notification area and see here secure folder. But here it's not available. In some of the models it will be available. Okay, don't bother about it. Just you have created secure folder, you in your Samsung Galaxy A15. In next videos we will see how to hide photos and videos and other things. Okay, so that's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.